YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to see UK 49. So the Gosloto 749, Russian Gosloto. If it's the first time, consider to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. In today's video, we're going to see the strategy only. Then we're gonna be done. Yeah. For the people who are doing comments about the numbers that I pass or I give, that there may be a lot. I don't know if you did not download the numbers because I have been doing this YouTube for long. It's that my other channel was closed. So it's only 14 numbers. You can go and count on the screenshot that I shared. 14 numbers. Then it does 14 numbers. I select 8 numbers. Then I select 2 or 3 bankers. So only for the WhatsApp group team. But here you can just type the numbers down. There will not be more than 14 numbers. It means that you didn't even type the numbers down. You just check the strategy and you don't type down. Alright, so let's go. If you are here and you don't know about my WhatsApp group, this is a phone number and you can join the team when we still have a space. 0619678350. That is the number. We're going to see the strategy that can win. Before I go, I would like to show you the banker strategy. This one, just let's do it after. Alright, let's go. You will take the last 3 numbers, you will add them together. Like this. So for example, let's not go far. Let's start from here. This is gonna give me 50, 30, 40, 50, 64, 72. This one will give us 72, right? 72, you break it as 7 and 2 and 27. Then so that's where 7 came, and the 7 plus 2 is 9, right? Then you can see that we have 7 and 9 complete. Then 72 again, you will do like this. You will add 56. 56 is the 49 plus 7 number of the draw, which is gonna give us 128, right? So then we take a 72 again, add 80. This 80 is coming from 49, add the numbers of the days at the month. This month has a 31 days. Then add 49 like this, which is the total number of the draw, which is 0 here and 80. That's where it came from. It's gonna give us 152, right? So on this 128 and 152, 128, 152, right? You see this? So let's add them together. We have a 0 here, we have a 80 here, we have 2. Right? So you get the 3 code. The first code that you will focus, every code you focus on the last 2 numbers. right, on the last two numbers. So we have 8, we have 25 and 28. Every time you see this 28, because you can see 28 here and here, you will replay that 28 and play also the nearby number of 20 is 24 or 42 if they spin that 24, right? So that's 8, 28. Then when you play, you add this month and the number of the draw plus the 7. They are bringing these numbers after one draw. When you finish to add, so you play these numbers. We have 8, 28, 24, 42, all right, and 25. Then every time you see 8, there's always a 4 or 2. So I always teach you this, that's where 40 came from. Yeah, but 25 is very clear there. We've already 7, 9. Look at the numbers on the screen. We have 8, we have 28, we have 24, 42. This thing you must know. 8 is sitting there, meaning 4 and 40, and the 2 stand a chance of 20. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we add 20, we have 8, and then we have also 7, 9, it's 10 in numbers, then you add 25, 11 in numbers. So there were 11 in numbers, which gave us 25, 40, 7, and 9, right? Is it not true? So then those numbers which were clear, we have 28 clear, which give us 24 and 42. Even the nearby number of 28 is also can be 25. Then we have again the numbers that we have. What else? A number which is very clear again, 8, 2, 4, right? Or their spins. This number after adding, they always bring them to next draw again. Meaning that every time you are playing the lotto, you don't throw your numbers away. You get the next draw, you look for 1 or 2 numbers to add on your previous calculations. That's what you should do. You can even take the numbers in the morning, then you play them the whole day, and they win every draw. Right? Even your UK49 numbers, you can play on this lot and they win every draw. That's what I discovered. We have a 4, we have a 8, 42, right? Then you add your calculations from here. As I told you, after adding this number, you pray before you add, you pray to the next draw. So we have a 68, 88. The number you add before you add the date and the 7 number draw, it's 8. Which you're gonna pray on 7. The same way we add this number 72. The first number to focus on was 7 and 2, 27. You can see also 9 when you add, if you might rise 14. But 14 already prayed, that's why I didn't focus it on. But we have a 7, 2, 27 and 9. You pray to the next draw here, which was here. That's where this one came from, right? All right. So here we have 88. 88. All right. So we have 88, which you play on the next draw. Then we add the numbers together. So meaning that our 8 and the 4 was surely going to come in the calculations. and this one. So the number which is not 8 drop is 28. As I told you, don't lose the numbers. All right. So we're having 88 plus 80. You already know where it came from. It's 168. As I told you, focus on the last number. The last number is a 6 and the 8. 6 can be split to 9. That's where 9 came from. Right? So now we have a 4, 8, and the 9. Even a 42. So you move. Then you have a 88, add a 56. Right? We have 88, add a 56. We have a 4 here. 13, 14. The number we focus on, the here. So we have a 4 and the 44. So the number didn't show up is 44 because we have a 4 and the 40, 89 and the 42. Then the numbers which didn't come is 44, right? Because we have 1 third, what? 88 plus 856. Yeah, is 144. Then you plus 80 is 168. So we have a 6, right? So now we have a 6, we have a 44, we have a 28 from the previous draw and previous calculation. So the number which didn't show up here is a 44 and 28, right? Then a 6, which you got with to the next draw. All right. So here we have 82 plus 38. Let's see. 11, 12. The answer is 120. Simple. We have 120. If you focus on that's a number, we have a 20 or 2, right? So we have a 20 or 2. Then this is 12 as well, since it is a 0 at the back. Then remember we have a 44 and the 28 ready to use. And also remember we had it 2, right? So now the numbers, we have 120 add 80 is 200, which is 2 or 20, right? 2 or 20 stay there. Then we have 120 add 56, which is gonna be 176. Then we have a 7 and a 6 or 9, right? 7 and 6 or 9. So we have a 20 to 12 for 28, and also 28 is 24. Remember, add this 24, they can spin this number here. So 2, you must write this 2 because of this. 4 and the 8 and the 2, they keep following each other, right? So you will do that. So those are the 24, 769, 220, 1244, 28. Ne? So now here we come. This number you saw already. Those are the numbers to play on Gosloto, but each draw you saw 220, right? So 220 you saw it. What is going on? Let me just do this. Yeah, something. The phone fall down. When it's fall down, it's bring advertisement. So which I didn't want to see. All right. So the other one is this. You just use these numbers, just minus, and it's working, but not every draw. Because if you check here, we have nothing came. So this one gave us 2 which played to do minus, the first and the second number on the next 2 and the 11 gave us 9. Alright, to confirm our calculation, 5 and the 9 gave us 4. To confirm our calculations, 7 and the 5 will give us 2. Right? So the other strategy is to take the first number, add 4, then you add 10. We go here. So first number, the 4 and the 10, we have 12 and the 22. Here is a 22 sitting there. Add the 4, which is 6, add the 10, 16 is sitting there. So meaning that add the 4 is 9, add the 10, 19. Both came. Alright. It may not work always. Add the 4, it's 11. Add the 10, it's 21. There you go. Remember we had the 12 as well on our calculation. So 11 and 21 also stand a chance. Thank you so much. I will see you once again. Bye bye.